Do you want me to sing to you? And I would do
anything for love, and you know it's true.
but I would
do anything for love.
What won't you do for love?
that.
You would do anything for love. And you would do that.
So you know what? Let's just break the meatloaf. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And babe?
And babe. Tonight, we're cooking meatloaf. Not that meatloaf. We're cooking that meatloaf. Anyways, the meatloaf that we are cooking here, let me slouch down, babe.
Thank you.
Let's talk about it.
Thank you.
Babe, your head is not cut off.
Babe, I'm too short.
I know.
I need to be on like a stand. People have said that I'm really short. I am short. I'm 5'4", and he is 6'5". So, yes, when I don't have heels on, and he is just standing there, it's quite a difference.
Oh, they could see you, babe.
That's better.
Oh, yeah. Babe, tonight, the meatloaf that we are cooking, a man named David Armstrong, he hit me up on Instagram and he's like, you know what, I would love to see you guys make a meatloaf. Actually, he's like, I'm eating meatloaf and it's delicious. And I was like, I would love that recipe. And he's like, let me give you the recipe. And so we have the recipe. Okay. It's not healthy. Warning. Warning, danger, Will Robinson. It is not healthy. But let's talk about the ingredients in this meatloaf. So, what you will need: garlic, carrots, breadcrumbs, chorizo. How much poundage? 1 pound of 80/20. That's even more unhealthy beef. Chorizo and beef. Breadcrumbs, olive oil, Old Bay seasoning. That's pepper, that's an egg, that's garlic powder, pepper, salt, celery, and then we're gonna make broccoli as a side. That's what we're working with, people. Babe's taking a moment of silence to play on her phone while we cook
I'm not
meatloaf.
playing, I'm working.
You know what? Maybe she is working.
To a client.
Maybe she is working. Let's look in the background right here.
This is the shampoo I used on my client that I did at home last night. In our sink where we rinse our dishes. Because I had to do a home hair client last night. I'm a busy woman, what can I say?
So babe, you're chopping some carrots. And we need about a half of cup of carrots chopped, of celery chopped, of green bell pepper chopped. And let's talk about our fresh garlic, babe. You know, babe.
Oh, I wanted to make some roasted garlic while we were waiting. That
No, babe.
sounded really yummy.
No, babe.
And then I want to make out with you tonight.
No.
My roasted garlic.
Oh, look at that, babe. Another half cup of... So we put the carrots in the pan. The pan's not on. Babe, do you want to see how many meatloaf comments that I can make during this video?
Yeah. I think we should play a game. Every time you make a meatloaf reference, our viewers have to drink.
Drink.
Yes.
Like that?
Yeah. It's like a drinking game video.
Oh, now we're having a drink. Oh,
yeah.
Good goodness. Leave a comment below if you want to have a drinking game video.
Yeah.
I bet Meatloaf the singer. What on earth? I bet Meatloaf the singer had some muscle. Actually, maybe not.
Drink.
Drink. Garlic in, babe.
Okay.
What are you doing, babe?
I'm gonna go 2 tablespoons of butter.
Oh, babe. That is. Oh, good.
I think that's good enough for that.
Babe, let's talk about our arteries.
They're gonna be clogged.
What is chorizo made out of?
I don't know.
Leave a comment below what chorizo is made out of.
What does that look like?
No, babe. No. Grow up. Grow up, babe. Grow up.
Ew.
This is 80/20 ground beef, which is 20% fat, PS.
Yeah.
And beef chorizo. I mean, goodness.
This is gonna be fantastic.
Yeah. I'm gonna need to work out double tomorrow. Double time. Double time! Babe, you need to add those breadcrumbs. Oh, that's a lot.
I'm gonna do a half cup.
Okay.
I'm just guessing.
Get it. Do it. You do you, boo-boo.
Okay. Put it on the... I bet this is gonna be fantastic though.
It's gonna be a good loaf.
No, it's gonna be a good saying. I was gonna say, because you would do anything for love.
I would do anything for love. babe. What are those? Those are called cooking slippers?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. We need to add the spices into the meat. No, the veggies and the spices in the meat and make a big. Okay, babe, you tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Tell me when to stop, babe.
Okay.
Holy moly, the children are going crazy. Is that good?
I'd do a little more.
More! Is that good?
Is there anything coming out? No, there's nothing coming out.
What? What? So we put some Old Bay in there. I feel like we put too much.
No.
No? Okay. Babe, I'm gonna put garlic powder.
Okay.
Okay, tell me when to stop. Tell me, hold on.
That's really never too much.
Well, we already put fresh.
That's good. That's enough.
It's never too much, but that's good. Keep mixing, babe. Now. Oh yeah, there's so many hands in this video.
Yeah, but it's hands. We should be mixing together.
Oh yeah, we're mixing together, babe.
Like we would do anything for love.
We would do anything. Okay, just a little bit. Good?
Sure.
Or do you want more?
That's good. Okay.
Okay, that's it.
So why don't you dump a little bit of
Dump? Go ahead, babe. What were you saying?
Pour a little tiny bit of olive oil in there.
You need a little bit of olive oil in your loaf? Okay, I'll pour a little bit of olive oil in your loaf. Oh my goodness, these children. Babe, I feel like it's like daddy daycare in here.
No, babe, this is life. We have children.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your slippers. Let me see your hands. Anyways, we need to preheat. 425. We're gonna get hot and spicy. 425. Babe.
Yeah.
425 for 1 hour.
Yes, 425, 1 hour.
But 425 for 1 hour, but the last 10 minutes of the cook, you're going to uncover it with the tinfoil. Did I mention that you have to cover it with tinfoil for the first 50 minutes? 50 minutes covered with tinfoil at 425. Then the last 10 minutes, uncover it, and it's gonna make the top nice and crispy, crusty, salivation. Maybe we should make a video called Babe's Refrigerator Tour and see what kind of shenanigans you have in the refrigerator.
I have all sorts of stuff.
Yeah. And now you're making broccoli for the children.
Yes, they love my baked broccoli.
Baked broccoli.
Yep.
But that'll be a totally different video. How to get children to eat broccoli.com.
Yep. Oh yeah. This'll do it. It's like candy. What? Hot pan. You
Don't forget about celery.
And celery? You love celery?
Speaking of forgetting things, Penny, guess who forgot to buy tinfoil at the store?
Mama.
Ah, Mama, that's right.
That's not nice.
Exactly my point.
Dash's fault.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Meatloaf.
You said meatloaf, drink! Just waiting for that meatloaf to cook. Just waiting for the meatloaf to be done. Waiting for the meatloaf.
Oh, babe. It's gonna be so good. Holy meatloaf. I mean, that is meatloaf.
Oh, babe, it's pretty fantastic, babe.
This is the best meatloaf you've
Babe,
ever
I
had.
can't believe you put cheese on yours.
I can't do it without some kind of sauce
Babe,
and some kind of something.
babe, it's so good.
It is.
It's so good.
Super tender. All the veggies, the meat. It melts in your mouth. That's good.
No, it's not healthy, but it is good. It is good. Seriously. Do it. Do it.
Good. super yummy.
Thank you for watching the video.
That is so good.
Appreciate it. It is good. Yeah, it's good. Babe agrees. Babe. Babe agrees. It is good. Seriously.
Fantastic.
Yeah, that's
Really
good meatloaf.
delicious.
This is a good recipe. I'll put the whole recipe in the description of the YouTube video.
So good.
But yeah, it's good.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you, David Armstrong. You're the man.
Yeah, that was
Do
really
it.
yummy.
Subscribe.